The way to a man's heart is through his stomach. And Indians are known for their love for rich and spicy food. A bite of good food brings joy on anyone's face. There is one restaurant that understands this fact and is committed to reach the hearts of millions of Indians, and that is Wah Ji Wah. The first ones to introduce soya Afghani chop in the country, Wah Ji Wah is one of the rarest food joints which serves 100% vegetarian food at an affordable cost. Starting from a single outlet in 1986, it has come a long way through its reputation of quality, consistency, hygiene, hospitality and service.
When we're talking about Wah Ji Wah, we are talking about 100% pure vegetarian cuisine, one of its own kind. We are maintaining 100% ISO standards procedures while making our food, considering Wah Ji Wah in the base kitchen is maintaining all international quality standards what we used to maintain while making food, hygiene and sanitations, equipments, lab, all the procedures and so we're working 24 hours, keeping in mind like we are serving per day more than 50,000 people per day.
The restaurants have a dramatic open display kitchen with wood-fired oven and char grills that are especially used in final finishing of dishes for the smoked flavor. Wah Ji Wah has maintained its high standards of purity by using selective spices, finest ingredients, fresh vegetables and hygienic means to provide the best to its customers. The magnificent outsized base kitchens and an entire team of well-skilled and experienced chefs 24/7 to indulge in developing dishes that suit the taste buds of our Indian customers and cater to the demand of all the outlets. The place is divided into separate departments, which surely add value to the culinary. The quality department tests the food samples, ensuring only the best product reaching the outlets. And a pest-free store department helps in storing various items under hygienic environment. The commissary and marinating sections prepare semi-cooked snacks, maintaining the consistency of flavor, followed by the chutney section, where grinding takes place at a massive level. Finally, the hot section has huge boiling jars and burners used for cooking rice and preparing gravies for all the respective dishes. The prepared food is well packed and preserved in the cold storage and sent to the outlets every day per their demand. A brainchild of Mr. Rajinder Khare and Mr. Karamjeet Singh, Wah Ji Wah operates under their expert and visionary guidance.
Wah Ji Wah बिजनेस जो है कि हमने 1986 में स्टार्ट किया था, अपने फादर साहब ने हमारे किया था। तो जो ये थीम है मेरे दिमाग में ये शुरू से ही थी कि जो आदमी नॉन वेज नहीं खा सकते, वेजिटेरियन है, उनके लिए क्या कॉन्सेप्ट निकाले हमने यहाँ कि जो उनकी तृष्णा अंदर से वो पूरी हो सके। बहुत छोटे स्केल से हमने काम शुरू किया था और 4-5 ब्रांचें खोली थी मैंने। उसके बाद मुझे खरे जी मिले, 2010 की बात है। उसके बाद हमने ये फ्रेंचाइज वाला मॉड्यूल देना शुरू किया, जिसका हमें बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्स मिला।
A well-experienced and competent team of managers have ensured its successful growth in the market, with more than 47 outlets running successfully and planned expansion at a massive rate in all corners of India.
2010 के अंदर फिर हमें लोगों को इसकी फ्रेंचाइजी देनी शुरू करी, फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल के अंदर अपने आप को डाला। और आने वाले टाइम में अभी हम मुंबई के अंदर अभी हमने स्टार्ट करा है। साल के अंदर 20 से 25 आउटलेट की हमारी वहाँ पे आगे का विज़न है कि हम वहाँ पे 20 से 25 आउटलेट कंपनी खोलेंगे। गुजरात के अंदर वेजिटेरियन फूड का काफ़ी क्रेज़ है, तो उस चीज़ को देखते हुए हमने फिर अहमदाबाद में अपना सेटअप डाला है। वहाँ भी एक बेस किचन हमने बनाई है और आगे हमारे वहाँ हम थोड़ा सा फाइन डाइनिंग के अंदर जाना चाहते हैं। आने वाले टाइम में ये कंपनी का ये विजन है कि ऑल ओवर इंडिया के अंदर करीब 100 आउटलेट हमारा प्लान है।
If you try it, you will like it. And this image and impression has brought us a long way. So if you want to say Wah Ji Wah, come here to explore the marriage of taste.